Create a blank canvas 2000 by 2000 pixels, create new layer. And select color is gray. And add in noise texture I provide in description, select blending option screen and less the opacity. Select the polygon lasso tool and make this type of shape. Select a paint, fill the shape with blue color. Add blending option is multiply. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the shape. Press Ctrl plus T to add this shape on opposite side. Press Ctrl plus U to change the color of second shape. Add the stadium picture for set the background of shape. Press Ctrl plus U to decrease the saturation. Press Alt or click on down layer to create a clipping mask. Try this same thing with second shape. Change the blending option of the stadium background is multiply. Add a character and adjust the size as you like. Create a layer mask. Decrease the opacity. Select lasso tool to remove the unwanted area of character. Click on delete button of your keyboard to delete this selection. Try the same thing with this character. Add the third character and adjust the size of this. And remove the unwanted area. Repeat the same things. Add a fifth character of our poster. Adjust the size. Double click on this picture layer. Click on drop shadow and follow the same settings. After of this settings. Double click on this picture layer. Click on drop shadow. Create a new layer and it's time to add some shadows on ground. Follow the same steps. Press Alt plus left key of mouse to duplicate this blue shape. And set this shape on the characters. Change blending option to normal. Create a mask of this layer. And press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Make the brush shape is normal. And change the size of brush hardness is 0. Apply the brush here to make like color fade. Follow the same steps on other side. Create a new layer, select a black color. And add some shadows on the character's back to highlight him. Make a circle using selection tool. Add green color in circle, set blending option to overlay and decrease the opacity. Apply the same thing on other side. Add a cricket team logos. Follow the same settings. Add a lens flare blending option is screen. Add on the edges of the shapes. It's time to add some glows on the poster. Brush should be 400 to 500 bending option is screen shows the color of glow. And apply on the edges of characters. Let's add some magic off the mirror raw filter.